And a good Friday evening to you, Valpo. We managed to make it up to 47 degrees this afternoon. Highs generally in the mid to upper 40s across much of Illinois, Indiana. 50 degrees down in Springfield, the capital of Illinois. We're going to be saying goodbye to those temperatures because we have a winter storm watch that's going into effect tomorrow morning at about 6 a.m. Thursday, it's lasting till about 4 a.m., and that's for Porter, Lake, Newton, and Jasper counties here in northwest Indiana, extending off into the east and even into portions of southwestern Michigan. Couple of concerns we have are the snowfall rates, and we're going to take a look right now at future radar. Low pressure system tracking off to the north and east. Here's the snow line associated with that, going right over Valparaiso and much of northwest Indiana. And by the time we get to the afternoon hours, that expands to include northwest Indiana, southwestern Michigan, and the eastern half of Illinois. So a big concern is how long is this swath going to stay over us? Models projecting now through Thursday, or tomorrow night rather, and overnight into Thursday morning, snow is going to be sticking with us for the majority of that time period. And by the time we get to chapel break on Thursday, that's when we should be seeing the snow finally beginning to settle out. 4 to 7 inches is where we're being placed at this time for how much snow is going to fall. Anywhere east of Valpo into southwestern Michigan, anywhere between 4 and 7 inches, because that's where the heaviest snowfall is concentrated with that swath. Chicago metropolitan area, about 2 to 4 inches there, going to be causing a bit of traffic congestion for the rush hour periods in the morning and afternoon. And then as you get into western Illinois, looking at about 1 to 2 inches associated with this storm. Another concern we have are the wind speeds. Right now, 14 miles an hour sustained in central Indiana. By the time we get to tomorrow, you just see the number rise. And this is not a gust. This is actually a sustained wind speed of 27 miles an hour by the time this low pressure system arrives in the morning. So that is going to be a concern, talking about blowing snow or even wind chill as the temperatures continue to get lower. So that's going to be a concern if you're walking to and from class in the morning hours. Be sure you're bundling up for that. Tonight, cloudy skies generally. We're going to be dropping in temperatures from 36 down to 34 by 11 p.m. tonight. Winds out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, all in advance of the storm that will arrive sometime tomorrow morning. Wednesday and Thursday, 36 degrees, 30 there on Thursday. Again, snow ending by chapel break on Thursday. Friday, a high of 33, but as we get into the weekend, check out that high of 43 there on Saturday. Sunday, 47 will bring in the chance of rain, but we could manage in some areas to make it up to 50. Start of the next work week, Monday and Tuesday, highs are back into the mid and upper 30s.